It's called the TARDIS. It can travel anywhere in time and space. And it's mine.
Hello, sweetie.
The angels are coming for you, but listen, your life could depend on this. Don't blink. Don't even blink. Blink and you're dead. They are fast, faster than you could believe. Don't turn your back. Don't look away, and don't blink. Good luck.
Exterminate!
It's bigger on the inside.
Is it? I noticed.
I suggest a full frontal assault with automated laser monkeys, scalpel mines, and acid.
I'm the clever one, you're the potato one.
People assume that time is a strict progression of cause to effect, but actually, from a non-linear, non-subjective viewpoint, it's more like a big ball of wibbly-wobbly, timey-wimey stuff.
Spoilers.
Because if there's one thing you shouldn't have done, you shouldn't have let me press all those buttons.
This is my timey-wimey detector. Goes ding when there's stuff. Also, it can boil an egg at 30 paces. Whether you wanted to or not, actually, so I've learned to stay away from hens.
It's not pretty when they blow.
I'm your new undercover agent on loan from Scotland Yard, codename The Doctor. These are my top operatives, the Legs, the Nose, and Mrs. Robinson.
I hate you.
No, you don't.
Sir, emergency! I think I've been run over by a cab!
Smaller on the outside.
Okay. That is a first. That does very, very complicated, that does sophisticated, that does woo, amazing, and that does whiz bang far too technical to explain.